It looks like Enviable Group is cooking up something massive, and guess where? Lagos. Not Abuja. Well, maybe they have a branch in Abuja. Not Port Harcourt, and not even the southeast. And honestly, the internet is already divided over it, because what Obi Cubana just revealed on his verified Instagram account has triggered admiration, inspiration, and controversy all at once. Stay tuned, because this story is deeper than you think.
Ha! The chair! The chair, sir! I'm no yes.
Welcome,
TV, I've gone into CNG trucks.
Yeah, I was going to come
Introduce CNG
I
trucks.
saw a lot of them outside here.
Come, let me show you now. We are currently still branding them. So if they come here, they will write their numbers. They will now take them to where they are going to brand their bodies.
I saw a lot of trailers from when I was coming in. Everything, left, right, and center.
That is the main reason for Enviable Integrated Hub.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Enviable Integrated Industrial Hub, a proposed mega industrial environment where factories, logistic operations, industrial activities, and even staff residential areas will all exist in one coordinated ecosystem. Yes, you heard that right. According to information shared by Obi Cubana on his verified IG page, Enviable Group is set to build its industrial hub and headquarters on a newly acquired 25-hectare site in Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos State. Now, this is really ambitious if you ask me. And trust me, this project may completely change the scale at which many Nigerians currently view Enviable Group. But while many people are impressed, others are asking difficult questions. Shortly after the announcement surfaced online, social media users began reacting emotionally. One commenter wrote, "Investing in the next generation in Yoruba land." Another said, "Abakaliki man building in Lekki. What happened in Abakaliki?" And this person pleaded, "Please, bring it home immediately. It's too much to be in Lagos." This is the conversation currently dividing opinions online. Should successful businessmen, especially Igbos, invest where opportunities already exist? Or should they deliberately return home to develop their roots? That debate is now fully active. Now, for those of you who may not really know who Ituma Chukwuemeka, popularly known as Enviable, really is, here's a quick background that makes this entire story even more interesting.
Transfer your information really matters. One of the major problems that we have had in the group is the way the information was transferred to the next person.
Ituma Chukwuemeka was born in Iziang-Ohaukwu local government area of Ebonyi State, Nigeria. He grew up in a rural farming community where survival itself required resilience. His parents were farmers who reportedly instilled in him discipline, hard work, and persistence despite financial limitations. He attended community primary school and community secondary school in Iziangbo, Ebonyi State. And this is where the story becomes inspirational, because before the luxury, before the trucks, before the business empire, Ituma reportedly worked as an Okada rider. And just sometimes last month, he gave back to the same school which helped to shape him.
Officially handing this school over to Trapa community. Thank you so much.
From Okada rider to Keke operator to now acquiring 25 hectares in Lekki, that transformation alone is enough motivation for many young Nigerians. One of the biggest turning points in his journey came through his partnership with Obi Cubana, popularly known as Obi Cubana. That collaboration elevated Enviable into national recognition. And in March 2024, Obi Cubana officially unveiled Enviable Transport in Abuja, deploying over 100 hybrid electric vehicles for transportation and logistics operations. And since then, they've expanded to almost all the states in Nigeria. That move immediately positioned Enviable Transport as one of the emerging names in Nigeria's evolving logistics and mobility sector.
All right, so as you can see, we are in this great expanse of land. You look at the Enviable Group is cooking something again. My MD, Ebu MD.
We need to have a place that is called Enviable Hub.
All in one.
Every serious company must eventually move beyond thinking about today and begin building for the next generation. We are already planning for the next generation. This is 25 hectares of land in Lekki here, Lagos State. We plan building Enviable Integrated Industrial Hub for all our industrial activities and factories, including where our staffs are going to stay. You know, you get to a time in life where you start investing for the next generation. We are currently investing for the next generation. We are building a structure that will outlive us, that our children will come on and start moving with.
The one that sees the future from here, anywhere he is.
And now, their ambition appears to be getting even bigger. Recently, Obi Cubana reportedly paid an unscheduled visit to Ituma Chukwuemeka at the Enviable office in Lagos, and what people saw there shocked many Nigerians. Over 420 brand new CNG trucks reportedly acquired for Enviable Logistics. Not 10, not 50. 420. At that point, many people realized this may no longer be small business growth. This looks like a company positioning itself for national industrial relevance. But here's the question now dominating conversations online. Why Lagos? Why not Ebonyi State, where he actually came from? Or why not somewhere in the southeast? Some argue that business follows infrastructure, accessibility, ports and market opportunities, which Lagos naturally provides. Others believe influential businessmen should intentionally develop their home regions to create jobs and economic growth there. And honestly, that conversation is not ending anytime soon. One thing nobody can deny, however, is this. The rise of Ituma Chukwuemeka Enviable is one of those classic Nigerian hustle stories that continues to inspire many young people, from riding Okada to operating Keke to building the logistic empire to now planning an industrial hub in Lekki. That journey is massive. But what do you think? Should major entrepreneurs focus investment where business opportunities are strongest, or should they prioritize developing their hometowns and regions first? Drop your thoughts in the comment section.
Ha! The chair! The chair, sir! I'm lawyers.
Welcome, man.
We have gone into CNG trucks.
Yeah, I was going to come
Introduce
to
CNG
I
trucks.
saw a lot of them outside there.
Let me show you now. We are currently still branding them. So if they come here, they will write their numbers. They will now take them to where they are going to brand their bodies.
I saw a lot of trailers from when I was coming in. Everything left, right, and center.
That is the main reason for Enviable Integrated Industrial Hub. This one can go to east
and come back.
And come back to like Benin.
All these are the CNG, right?
Yes.
Wow.
I told you that we had to buy 4 CNG to test run.
How many came down this time, right, man? I know you don't want it for there, but we just for that, okay, Enviable had this fleet. I know we've done over 500 from the other regular one, but this one, but this one just came in now. How many came in this time around, Mike?
We ordered 420 units.
Okay, brand new units.
Brand new CNG.
And they're still coming out from the ports?
Yeah, and so they have moved to where they are painting the bodies.
Okay.
Even currently, we have to start using them because of the orders we have. I told you we have a lot of people we are now supplying.
Waiting and everything.
Yeah, we are
so
now
you don't have to enter to work immediately.
Yes. You know, I told you that our vision is big. Yeah. And I told you that I'm not going to disappoint you. Oh. And I'm not going to disappoint Nigerians. That this is a global company. We need to have structure that the legacy will live even when we are no longer available. I said that is what I want.
Coming down here today, I'm super proud of how you positioned the group, Enviable Group. I'm so proud of the vision you've had from day one. Not just having a vision, but putting it to work. I mean, the direction has been awesome. You wake up one day, you want to do this thing, and you put it to work, and then boom, it's working. I mean, how old is Ella? It's barely 1 year. A year plus.
A year and some months.
And what Ella has achieved in a year plus, most companies cannot achieve in a lifetime.
The most important thing is that we are adding value to the nation. And we are gradually taking it out of just Nigeria to
cannot
Africa,
be a Nigerian team,
and then a global stuff.
Conquering Nigeria, you now face the African space and then the global scene. Everything we are seeing here, let you not look at it is magic. We've been trying to put you guys through on everything that has to do with this company, and you can see it every time, every day, new inventions, new growth and everything. My brother, the man will be me, I don't know what I want to talk again.